In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva's new Magic Layers feature. This tool can automatically convert a flat image into separate editable layers. So let's see how it works. All right, on the home page, you'll notice this new Magic Layers feature. Go ahead and click on it. Now you need to choose the image that you want to convert into layers. This can be any image, such as a poster, a social media graphic, or even an AI-generated design. I've already uploaded a few design images to test this feature, so I'll select this one as an example. Once the image is added to the canvas, look at the left side panel. Under Magic Studio, you'll see the option called Magic Layers. Click on it, and Canva will start analyzing the image. After a few seconds, Canva automatically separates the different elements inside the design. Now you'll notice that the design has been converted into multiple layers. This means you can edit the text, remove objects, move elements individually, or even add new elements to the design. This feature is really helpful when you want to edit an existing image or redesign a graphic quickly without having to recreate everything from scratch. Let me know in the comments what you think about this feature and how you would use it in your own designs. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.